Adding text to your reels can help highlight your message or guide viewers through your video, and with edits, you have full creative control. Start by importing a clip into a new project, and below tap the text tool from the toolbar. Type in your message and you'll see a range of customization options appear. You can change the font style, color, and size, or use alignments to position your text exactly where you want it. Canva style features like outline, shadow, and pacing make it easy to match your brand or aesthetic. You can also set timing for when your text appears and disappears. Just drag the ends of the text bar in your timeline to match the clip's rhythm or a specific beat in your music. For extra polish, you can add multiple text layers. For example, use bold text for emphasis or smaller captions for context. And the best part, you can preview changes instantly to make sure everything feels smooth and balanced before posting.